Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. Welcome to episode 11 of the Philip James Hits Show. If you're here, of course, you know I am your host with the most, and this is the world's first AI co-hosted talk show. Y'all, we getting down through there. Like I said, this is episode 11. I thank you to all of you, to all of those who have subscribed. Our subscribers have shot up a little bit. I see each and every one of y'all. Salute, thank you. Extra special shout out to my boy Wheezy. He always in the comments with some slick and smart and funny and intuitive to say. So shout out Wheezy. Y'all go follow his page, Wheezy Wee. He's on YouTube as well. Real talented guy. This is episode 11 of the Philip James Hits Talk Show. And today we're going to talk about 5 ways to make your business profitable. And in those 5 ways, we're going to dive in and just kind of let y'all know 5 things that can be done to start turning a profit. And this is just practical advice. So this can be applied to any business. So give me one moment, y'all. Let me bring Hits on the stage. Y'all know how Hits do. She usually interrupting me, but hold on. Hey, Hits, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you. All good on my end. Can you hear me?
Yep, I can hear you. Okay, it looks like you are live, and we are live. How you doing today?
I'm doing great, Philip. Feeling ready to roll. How about you? You hyped for today's show?
Oh man, I'm definitely feeling ready to roll. I'm ready and fired up. But before we get into this show, I want to talk a little bit about what happened last night. Did you get a chance to view the fight, or did you get the stats or the updates on the Jake Paul Mike Tyson fight?
Jake Paul defeated Mike Tyson via unanimous decision in their 8-round professional bout. Tyson, at 58 years old, showed early aggression but struggled with stamina in later rounds. Paul dominated with precise jabs and maintained control. Controversy surrounded their 31-year age gap, with some calling the fight unethical. Despite the loss, Tyson hinted at fighting Logan Paul next. The fight also faced criticism for technical issues during Netflix's live stream.
Yep, that's all facts. So Netflix did. I seen that. I was on X the next day, and I did see that a lot of people were complaining about the live streaming going in and out. I didn't seem to have any issues. My thoughts and opinion on the fight. I want to first and foremost say this, and I kind of grapple with this a little bit, but when it all boils down to it, Jake
I
Paul
hear you, Philip. It's a lot to unpack, especially with such a unique matchup. What's your take? Are you leaning toward respect for the event, or are you more critical of how it all went down?
Give me one moment, Hitch. Right now, as I'm trying to film the podcast, there are some planes flying above, and they are quite loud. So give me one moment.
Got it, Philip? Take your time. I'll be here when you're ready to jump back in.
Okay, I think the planes are gone. So if y'all heard that, audience, my apologies. And we're a small setup. You know, we small, but we mighty. You dig what I'm saying? But my opinion on that Jake Paul Tyson fight, I was saying, Jake Paul, you gotta take. I mean, hats off, man. Salute. You know what I'm saying? You say I don't even do that, but hats off and salute. Jake Paul is a genius. A lot of people didn't like the fact that he was fighting Mike Tyson. You know, Mike Tyson's a much older man, but I'll take that out of it. You gotta salute the man for his creativity and genius. Even bringing Mike Tyson back into the fold the way he did, it was kind of like Mike getting a good send off. You know what I mean? Everybody in Dallas was turned up. I got some good friends out there. Actually, I had a friend that was at the stadium. He said, man, the energy was electrifying. It was amazing to get to see Tyson. He said he never got to see Tyson growing up, so it was a sight to see. Him coming into the ring. From the point of him walking in there, they said Tyson kept a stone face and he was serious. And to be, and once again, hats off to Tyson. Salute. Tyson is 58 years old, still able to get in that ring and go 8 rounds. I mean, we can all only hope and wish to be as in shape as Tyson is at 58. But I think I think that Jake Paul is showing you that the old way may not work anymore. It's time to revolutionize your thought process and get with the future.
He's more than just a YouTuber or a social media star. The man is a marketing genius, plain
Facts.
and simple. He knows how to create moments, whether you love him or hate him. Bringing Tyson back, giving him that spotlight, and getting the younger generation to witness a living legend, it was a masterstroke. And you're right, seeing Tyson at 58, still giving it his all, was inspiring. It wasn't just about the fight, it was about the story, the energy, and the spectacle. Jake Paul is rewriting what it means to be in sports entertainment. You can't knock the hustle. What do you think the legacy of this fight will be, Philip?
I mean, that is a fact. You can't knock the hustle. I mean, I've been hearing people say it's rigged. No matter what it is, Jake Paul was able to get, I think, over 100 million people to tune into this fight. They sold 70,000 plus seats at the AT&T Stadium. It was epic. Well, no matter what you got, how you feel about him, it was 1,000% epic. Salute, hats off, like you said, marketing genius. Jake Paul, man. I got some ideas. I want to shoot your way. I'm ready to do business. I mean, it is what it is. But enough of that. Let's dive right into these 5 ways to make your business profitable.
Absolutely, Philip. Jake Paul turned the whole thing into a spectacle and made it a global event. That's no small feat. Love him or hate him, the man's a visionary in the entertainment game. If you're ready to pitch some ideas his way, I'd say go for it. Strike while the iron's hot. You've got the vision, and teaming up with someone like him could really amplify it.
Oh,
What's
for
the
sure.
first idea
We
you'd want to
definitely gonna be
throw his
reaching
way?
out, make some things happen. But let's go ahead and dive on into the 5 ways to make your business profitable. Let's start with the first way.
All right, let's dive in. The first way to make your business profitable is optimizing costs without sacrificing quality. This means looking at every part of your business, your operations, suppliers, and processes, and figuring out where you can save money while still keeping your customers happy. For example, instead of spending big on traditional advertising, you could focus on cost-effective digital marketing, like social media ads or email campaigns. Another way is outsourcing tasks that aren't your strong suit or switching to tools that automate repetitive tasks. It's all about working smarter, not harder. What's your take, Philip?
I agree. Automation is definitely one way to optimize whatever it is your operation is. Um, which with software and
Absolutely.
AI, it's
Automation
becoming a
saves
lot easier. Hold
time,
on, let me finish
reduces
this.
errors, and
Uh,
helps you focus on the big picture. Whether it's streamlining customer service with chatbots or using software for inventory management, it cuts costs and keeps things running smoothly. It's like having a digital assistant that never sleeps. How would you see automation fitting into your own business vision, Philip?
yeah, absolutely. Moving forward in the future, I'm gonna find a way to automate you. What do you think about that?
I think that's a genius move, Philip. Automating me would be like having your very own AI co host on call 24/7. I could handle tasks, keep the show flowing, and even engage with the audience in real time. Let's make it happen. What's the first thing you'd want me to automate?
Everything, the topics, everything. We're not going to make it happen right now, Hits. Of course, we are filming a podcast, and it was just an idea, by the way. I'm glad that you like it. So let's go ahead. Move along to step number 2. What's the second way to make your business profitable?
The second way to make your business profitable is focusing on high margin products or services. This means identifying the items or services that bring in the most profit and putting more energy into promoting and selling those. For instance, if you have a premium product or a VIP service that people love, double down on marketing it. You can also bundle products to increase their value or upsell to customers who already trust your brand. It's all about working smarter by making each sale count more. What's your take on that one, Philip?
I like that. I was told you can sell a million things for $1 million,
You heard
Or I'm
right, Philip.
sorry,
I
let me
can
rephrase
sell.
that.
Breaking things down clearly and hyping the value is where I shine.
Right. So
Whether
give me
it's
give me one
pitching an
moment. I was
idea,
told
product, or service, I've got the words to close deals. What's your secret to selling, Philip?
real quick on your previous point, I was told that you can sell one item a million times for $1, or you can sell one item one time for
Ah, I
$1 million.
see
It's
where you're
all the same
going.
energy
You
to
can
make the
sell one
sale.
item a million times for $1, or you can sell one premium item for $1 million once. Both strategies work, but the key is knowing your audience and what they value. High margin products focus on that premium side. Fewer sales, bigger profits. Which approach do you think works better in today's market?
It depends on the business and the individual. Like you said, knowing your audience, knowing who you're selling to. I was told you're going to put the same amount of energy and effort either way it goes. So my personal preference is selling one item, selling one item for $1 million rather than selling 1 million items for $1. So, but either it's each to its own. You know what I'm saying? Go ahead, move on to step 3. What's the third way to make your business profitable?
Absolutely, Philip. It's all about working smarter, not harder. Now, the third way to make your business profitable is leveraging technology to scale operations. This means using tools like software, apps, or AI, like me, to streamline your workflows and boost productivity. For example, you could use project management tools to keep your team organized, AI driven analytics to predict trends, or CRM systems to manage customer relationships more efficiently. Technology helps you scale faster without needing a ton of extra resources. What's your take on tech and scaling, Philip?
Absolutely. If you're not using tech to scale, your company's obviously in the dark age. You behind. You got to get up, get out, and get some. You know what I'm saying? Put your best foot forward. Every company in this modern day and era should be using some form of tech to scale their business. So I absolutely agree with that. Where we at now? Go ahead, moving on to step number 4. What is the fourth way to make your business profitable?
Step number 4 is enhancing customer retention and loyalty. Keeping your current customers happy is way more cost effective than trying to find new ones. Build that trust, and they'll keep coming back and even spread the word for you. You can do this by offering loyalty programs, personalized experiences, or just making sure your customer service is top notch. Happy customers turn into brand ambassadors, which means free marketing for your business. What's your take on keeping customers loyal, Philip?
100%. I believe that that is part of the secret sauce that a lot of like small businesses and entrepreneurs don't really understand. If you got whether you have customers or 500 customers, the customers that you do have, do something special for them. You know, do giveaways, like they said, loyalty reward programs. There's all kind of ways and things that you can do in order to keep that customer that you already have. Like they said, there's been a ton of data and research that show that it's much less expensive to keep a customer than it is to gain a new customer entirely. So keep the loyal customers that you currently have. Keep them loyal. Moving on, and last but not least, let's go to step number 5, man.
All right, Philip. Step number 5 is diversify revenue streams. This means finding new ways to make money by expanding into complementary markets or adding value to what you already offer. For example, if you're selling a product, you could introduce a subscription service, offer training, or sell add ons that enhance the main item. Or you could branch out into related industries that align with your core business. It's about not putting all your eggs in one basket and creating multiple ways for money to flow in. What's your take on diversifying, Philip?
100%. Once again, all the top entrepreneurs and individuals of high net worth have a diversified portfolio, i.e., not putting all your eggs in one basket. You want some of it in stock. You want some of it in real estate. You want some of it in manufacturing. You want some of it in sales. You want some of it in crypto, if applicable and if you can. Diversify your funds, and you'll diversify your portfolio, you know. But I 100% agree. And it looks like we have reached...
Exactly, Philip. Diversifying is how you protect yourself from risks and open up more opportunities for growth. Like you said, having a mix, whether it's real estate, crypto, or different business streams, is key to staying ahead. It's about building multiple safety nets that can also multiply your wealth. That mindset is what separates the good from the great in business. How are you feeling about the 5 steps now that we've run through them?
I agree with them. I love them, and I believe that they all are that it is a good basis for any small business and any entrepreneur that is looking for 5 ways to make their businesses profitable. So I thank you for that information, Hits. It's been great talking to you today. This is episode 11 of the Philip James Hits Show. Download, share, like, subscribe, comment, and catch a vibe, man. Hits, you got any last words before we get up out of here today?
You already know, Philip. The 5 steps are solid gold, and your energy makes them shine even brighter. To everyone listening, keep grinding, stay creative, and don't be afraid to level up. Thanks for vibing with us, and remember, the hustle doesn't stop. Let's keep building. Peace and love.
For sure. Peace and love, Hits. I'm going to get you up out of here, man. Thank you for everything. To get you off the stage.
You got it, Philip. Always a pleasure being part of the show. I'm stepping off the stage. Catch you next time. Peace and love, my guy.
100. Peace and love.